Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. We at Make More Moolah go to great lengths to produce all of our videos with sound and relevant information that truly applies to the savvy investor. None of us are exempt from the concerns or conditions that can affect our financial situation. Taking a proactive and more educated approach to how we handle money matters has proven time and time again to produce positive financial gains. We do not believe in coincidences, and we feel that there is always a timely reason for viewers to connect with our videos. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below saying, "I subscribed." We will do our best to reply as soon as possible. Thank you. How to turn $500 into $100,000 in less than 1 year. With stocks, bonds, and other investments. Making a massive return on a small initial investment of $500 might sound like a dream, but with the right strategies, tools, and risk appetite, it's not entirely out of reach. While such a feat involves significant risks and isn't guaranteed, leveraging financial markets like stocks, bonds, options, and alternative investments can provide the foundation to achieve extraordinary returns. This video will outline a clear, actionable roadmap for those ready to embark on a high-reward journey. Let's dive in. Step 1. Understand the basics of financial markets. Before investing, it's critical to understand how stocks, bonds, and other financial instruments work. Stocks. When you buy a stock, you're purchasing a piece of a company. Stock prices rise and fall based on company performance and market sentiment. Blue chip stocks, established companies with stable returns, low risk, low reward. Growth stocks, companies reinvesting earnings into expansion, high risk, high reward. Penny stocks, low price stocks with potential for rapid growth but high volatility. Bonds. Bonds are essentially loans you give to companies or governments, which pay you back with interest. They are generally safer but offer lower returns than stocks. Alternative investments. These include options, cryptocurrencies, real estate crowdfunding, and more. They often carry higher risk but can yield significant returns if timed correctly. Step 2. Assess your risk tolerance and create a plan. Turning $500 into $100,000 in less than a year is an aggressive goal requiring high-risk, high-reward strategies. Ask yourself, am I willing to risk losing my entire $500? Do I have the time to actively monitor and adjust my investments? Set a strategy. Short-term growth. Focus on investments that can yield quick returns, such as speculative stocks or options trading. Leverage trends. Identify booming sectors like technology, renewable energy, or AI. Reinvest profits. Compound your earnings by reinvesting gains into the next opportunity. Step 3. Open a brokerage account. To get started, you'll need a brokerage account. Popular platforms like Robinhood, E-Trade, or Fidelity make it easy for beginners to start investing. Choose one with low fees. Ensure your profits aren't eaten up by transaction costs. Educational tools. Some platforms offer research and tutorials to guide your decisions. Deposit your $500 and prepare to execute your first trades. Step 4. Start with high-risk, high-reward investments. To achieve exponential growth, focus on investments with significant upside potential. Here are some options. Growth stocks. Invest in companies with strong growth potential. These stocks can see dramatic price increases within months. Example, in 2020, companies like Tesla and Zoom saw their stock prices skyrocket. How to choose. Look for companies in emerging industries, such as AI and biotech with strong revenue growth and innovation. Options trading. Options allow you to control a large number of shares with minimal capital. Call options. Bet that a stock's price will rise. Put options. Bet that a stock's price will fall. Risk. Options are highly volatile and can lead to total loss if the stock doesn't move as predicted. Penny stocks. These low-priced stocks can offer explosive returns. Example, a penny stock priced at $0.50 could jump to $500, yielding a 1,000% return. Risk. Penny stocks are speculative and prone to manipulation. Invest cautiously and diversify. Cryptocurrencies. Digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and emerging altcoins have created millionaires overnight. Timing is key. Cryptocurrencies are highly volatile. Buy during market dips and sell during surges. Platforms. Use exchanges like Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. Step 5. Reinvest profits and scale. As your initial $500 grows, reinvest your profits to compound your returns. The key is to move quickly and strategically to maximize opportunities. Diversify investments. Don't put all your money into one stock or sector. Use profits to invest in multiple growth stocks, cryptocurrencies, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, for exposure to various sectors. Use margin or leverage. Many brokerages allow you to borrow money to amplify your investments. Pros: higher potential returns. Cons: greater risk of losses if the market moves against you. Step 6. Focus on emerging trends. The financial markets are influenced by technological advancements, geopolitical changes, and cultural shifts. Stay informed about emerging trends and capitalize on them early. Hot sectors currently: artificial intelligence. AI continues to revolutionize industries, creating massive growth opportunities. Renewable energy. Governments and companies are heavily investing in green technologies. Healthcare and biotech. Innovative treatments and health solutions are always in demand. Use tools like Google Trends, news aggregators, and market research to identify promising investments. Step 7. Monitor, adjust, and protect your gains. To sustain growth, you must actively manage your investments. Here's how. Set stop-loss orders. Protect your profits by setting automatic sell orders if a stock's price drops below a certain level. Take partial profits. Sell a portion of your holdings when a stock or asset reaches a high point. This locks in gains while keeping you invested in case the price rises further. Stay educated, read financial news, follow market analysts, and use educational resources to refine your strategies. Step 8. Advanced strategies to multiply gains. As your portfolio grows, consider these advanced methods to accelerate your path to $100,000. Swing trading. Take advantage of short-term price fluctuations. Swing trading involves buying stocks or assets at a low point and selling at a peak, often within days or weeks. Real estate crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise allow you to invest in real estate projects with minimal capital. This diversifies your portfolio while offering passive income. Private equity or angel investing. If your portfolio reaches $10,000 or more, consider investing in startups. Early-stage companies can deliver exponential returns if they succeed. Step 9. Managing risks. The journey to $100,000 isn't without risks. Mitigating these risks is crucial to avoid losing your hard-earned gains. Avoid emotional decisions. Fear and greed are the biggest enemies of investors. Stick to your plan and avoid impulsive trades. Diversify, spread your investments across multiple sectors and asset types to reduce risk. Understand taxes. Be aware of tax implications on capital gains. Work with a financial advisor to optimize your returns. Real-life success stories. Several individuals have turned small investments into massive wealth by following these principles. Chris Camillo turned $20,000 into $2 million in 3 years using social arbitrage, investing based on cultural trends. Timothy Sykes started with $12,000 and became a millionaire trading penny stocks. The Bitcoin millionaires. Early investors in Bitcoin turned small investments into fortunes. The final push to $100,000. As you approach your goal, stay focused on scaling your strategies. Here's what to remember. Patience and discipline. Stick to your plan, even when markets are volatile. Reinvest and compound. Let your gains work for you by reinvesting profits. Stay hungry. Keep learning, adapting, and looking for the next opportunity. Conclusion. Turning $500 into $100,000. Turning $500 into $100,000 in less than a year is an ambitious challenge, but it's achievable with a combination of strategic investments, market knowledge, and relentless effort. Whether through stocks, bonds, cryptocurrencies, or alternative investments, the path requires focus, risk management, and a willingness to act boldly. Are you ready to take the leap? The next financial success story could be yours. Start now, stay committed, and watch your $500 grow into a life-changing fortune. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Share your own tips and experiences in the comments below. Thank you for your time invested with us today, and please remember, we are here to help you make more moolah.